Hey guys, it's Gina, and today I want to thank the brand for sending over this iPhone 17 Pro Max case for me to share with you guys. I do want to say this design of the phone case comes in a lot of different sizes, so if you have a different phone size, you can check and see if it comes in the one that will fit your phone. But I'm going to show you close up so we can talk about it. Okay, we're going to look at this close up. I want to tell you the case is made of a TPU material. It does feel good on the hands, but if you're wondering about the leopard print itself, there's no texture there. That's just very smooth. It's not like it's raised or anything. There is a little bit of a raised lip all the way around the edge, which I know gives your screen some added protection. This is considered offering drop protection. It is also wireless charging compatible, so keep that in mind. This is 6.9 inches. It is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Does come in other colorways and in other sizes. So if you really like the design of the phone, you can certainly check out and see if they have one that covers your model. I will tell you too, there is a little bit of a raised area around the camera lenses, so that's going to give you a little bit of added protection. To me, it does feel good on the hands. There is some flexibility to it, so I'm pretty sure it would be easy to get on and off of your phone. I don't have a 17 Pro Max. I'm in the market for one, but I haven't gotten one yet. But I would say this feels durable, and if you really like the design, I would say it's one of those to check out. So if you're looking for a new iPhone case, this is one to check out.